Hello everyone, welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in today's morning assembly means 1st of November and first of all national news. Delhi's winter atmosphere unsuitable for cloud seeding. A report said. Delhi's big move on re-registration of old vehicles. Jammu and Kashmir's general category with 70% population alleged jobs discrimination. India's Women Health Campaign sets three Guinness World Records. Court allowed Hindu community feast on ground long used for Easter events. Can't remain silent. Court as SEBI withdrew from audit in Rose Valley scam. Lowest number of women candidates in Bihar elections in 15 years. And now international news. Potential terrorist attack thwarted in US Michigan. FBI chief. Trying to remove as many as we can. JD Vance on illegal migrants. US candy maker recalled chocolates ahead of Halloween over allergen mix-up. Trump hosts White House Halloween bash with superheroes mini presidents. Sports news Babar Azam broke Rohit Sharma's world record in Pakistan's big win against South Africa. Resolute East Bengal helped Mohan Bagan qualify for Super Cup semi-finals. Mental toughness killer instinct. Jamie Rodrigues hailed by India batting legend. And now news related to business. Titagarh Rail won order worth rupees 2481 crore for Mumbai Metro. Swiggy planned rupees 10,000 crore war chest to power Instamart's fight against Blinkit and Zepto. And that's all in news. Thank you.